Bali is a land of noble civilization. Its majestic mountains, tranquil lakes and rivers, and soothing ocean waves create a sense of peace and wonder that brings joy to the soul. Bali's one-of-a-kind culture and the warmth of its people make it one of the most beloved travel destinations in the world. There exists an unseen system that works tirelessly to maintain order and security on the island, carried out in synergy by key elements such as Satpol PP, TNI, National Police, and the Pecalang, which is traditional security forces that serve as the cultural guardians of Bali. They ensure the safety and comfort of every visitor who steps foot on this island.
Bali is such a special place. I feel incredibly safe here. Not just because of the presence of the tourism police, but because people really genuinely care. Local security, police, and the traditional quarantine sarongs. It feels organized, respectful, and deeply rooted in Bali's culture. Being here, I feel protected without feeling watched. I love Bali.
A blend of time-tested local wisdom and modern strategy, creating a peaceful and secure environment in perfect harmony with Bali's identity as the island of the gods. Let's all take part in preserving Bali's tourism, in order, in peace, in safety, and in comfort. Together, let's keep Bali thrifty.
Waktu berbeda.